My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. We have the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle has done just under 43,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, using the buttons on the left, we can access radio, media, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay, Seek and Track. On the right, we have map, navigation, information and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control, heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. We have 4 different driving modes to choose from, starting with Eco, Sport, Smart and Comfort. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, we have our 2 foldable seats at the back, making this vehicle 7-seater. All of the seats are full black leather, and we can get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.